Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today. In today's video, we're talking about Alibaba, we're talking about Nio, we're talking about this new warning that I'm just laying out. I had enough time to think about what's happening, and it just reminds me back in March 2020 with all these news articles, with all these hints, what people keep talking about it. It's in the media 24/7. It gets the most likes, the most clicks for newspaper articles like the Wall Street Journal, like Barron's, everything around the world. And it's going to keep continuing, and we just have to sit back and enjoy the ride pretty much at this point. If you're a Chinese shareholder, you just have to enjoy the ride. Up, down, side, whatever it is, you just have to enjoy the ride. And this all stems from the delisting risk that keeps going on, and the delisting risk will never subside for another 2 to 3 years. I do not think so. But before we really get into this video, guys, can you please like this video, subscribe to my channel? I'm always providing you guys with so much new content, man. So click that like button, click that subscribe button right now. China sees unprecedented capital outflow since war. And it's honestly just freaking crazy. It's just everyone's just leaving the market. China has seen investors pull money out of the country on an unprecedented scale since Russia invaded Ukraine in late February, marking a very unusual shift in global capital flows in emerging markets. High-frequency data detected large portfolio outflows from Chinese stocks and bonds, even as flows to other emerging markets held up. And this is what's happening. China has now become basically a meme stock. Like the whole China market, Nio is a meme stock at this point. Look at this just drop. Everything 62%. Everything happening in China is just a meme at this point. Like just think about what happened just a few weeks ago. And it's just unusual. From 77, look at this, 77, 48%, all the way to $115. And then on the opposite side, you have people crashing Baba stock just from articles like this. US says speculation of deal on China stock listings is premature, right? It's premature, and we have Bloomberg just reporting articles like this, and these articles can drop your stock 10, 15%. Just easily drop Nio, Alibaba, 10 cents. 15, 10%, just on a meme like that from an article. And then when you have people, I don't see anything on the PCAOB website, USS speculation of deal in China stock listings. People were searching for this article. When did the PCAOB say this? Where can I find this letter? Because it's not on their site. Are they just going to them and talking to them? Like, what's happening? And this is what's happening in the market. Anything said about Baba, 10 cent, Nio is just going to crash the stock. It's a meme at this point. Nothing really matters. The fundamentals of these businesses don't matter. And I think it's going to continue like that for another maybe 2 years. So like honestly, what can we do in this market? I think the only thing we can really do is just like understand what's happening. And this is why I'm just warning everyone. Like you have to really understand what's happening in the market when it comes to Chinese stocks. But we have articles like this. China is trying to look to stop all the delisting and the delisting risks and all that news around it. Accounting war. China's financial regulator plans new approach to break deadlock with the US over auditing work. And people really don't care about these articles. The China Securities Regulatory Commission is considering a new approach to the grants the U.S. Public Company Accounting Oversight Board access to audit papers of China-based companies after they are cleared by the Chinese Finance Ministry for state secrets or sensitive data, such as personal identity numbers. So they are going to allow the government to actually scan these documents and just taking out all the personal identity numbers out of the audit papers. But is the U.S. even going to accept that? I really don't think they're going to even accept that. The same March was managed for Chinese stocks in the U.S. is the understatement. Can you believe this? It's an understatement. Highest volatility on record. On freaking record. Higher than 2008. And we all know what happened in 2008. The housing crash. Think about this. 2001 has the highest volatility on record. And this is just the beginning, man. So right now, Alibaba and Nio, they're just meme stocks. They're just damn meme stocks. The delisting risk is at an all-time high, and it's going to continue on because US has until like 2 years to see if they want to keep it. So what's going to happen? We just have to stand pat and really look at this from a bird's eye view. Institutions don't want Alibaba, Nio, Tencent. They're just leaving this at record paces. Soon, there's going to be zero insider ownership of these stocks. It's going to be zero. As everyone is just leaving, because remember, the institutions have to look after their records and their relative returns. So if they're looking at their relative returns and they're comparing it to other people are exiting Chinese stocks, they gotta exit Chinese stocks as well. They're not gonna be the first ones to get back into Chinese stocks. It doesn't even matter if this is all cleared up. It doesn't even matter at this point because it's just a meme. You just, whatever news comes out, whatever bad news, good news, whatever, it's just gonna shoot up, shoot down, shoot back up, shoot back down. And that's what we're gonna have to deal with Alibaba, Nio, and Tencent for probably for like another 2-3 years. Who knows, man? At this point, it's getting ridiculous. But anyways, that's just my thought about this whole Nio Alibaba. The earnings just came up for Nio. It doesn't matter if they're good. It doesn't matter if they're bad. It's gonna be a meme. So that's what I have for this video, guys. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Peace.